Anchoring the Basics, your guide to mastering English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and essential topic for all English language learners, anchoring the basics. Understanding this concept is key to building a strong foundation in English. So, let's explore what it means to anchor the basics and how it can significantly improve your language learning journey. The phrase, anchoring the basics, refers to the process of establishing a strong foundation in the fundamental aspects of the English language. Imagine an anchor holding a ship in place. Similarly, a good grasp of the basics keeps your language skills steady and secure. This includes mastering basic vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and sentence structure. It's about ensuring that you have a solid ground to build upon as you advance in your learning. Anchoring the basics is crucial because it sets the stage for more complex learning. Without a solid foundation, advancing in English can be challenging and frustrating. Think of it as constructing a building. If the foundation isn't strong, the entire structure is at risk. Similarly, a firm grasp of basic English concepts enables you to understand more complicated ideas, engage in more meaningful conversations, and express yourself more clearly and confidently. Practice regularly. Regular practice is key. Engage with the language daily through reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This constant exposure reinforces your foundational skills. Focus on core vocabulary and grammar. Identify and focus on the most commonly used words and essential grammar rules. Understanding these elements is more valuable than memorizing vast amounts of vocabulary or complex grammar that you might rarely use. Use tools and resources. Leverage tools and resources designed for beginners. Language learning apps, textbooks, and online courses can provide structured guidance in anchoring the basics. Seek feedback. Feedback is crucial. Whether from teachers, language exchange partners, or online communities, constructive feedback helps you identify areas for improvement. Challenges such as motivation, finding the right resources, and the fear of making mistakes can hinder your progress. Solutions include setting realistic goals, using a variety of learning materials to keep things interesting, and embracing mistakes as learning opportunities. Remember, every error is a step towards improvement. Anchoring the basics in English is not just about memorizing rules or expanding your vocabulary. It's about creating a strong and stable foundation from which your language skills can grow and flourish. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of this concept and provided you with strategies to effectively anchor your basics. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.